Day 24 in the Big Brother house. Joey has won a kebab, but not everyone is happy about this.
Coca-Cola. My favorite.
Oh, fucking hell, this is some load of bollocks.
Well, I'm here. It's me. How have I found my Big Brother experience? Pretty fucking awesome, that's how. But again, that's just me.
What do I think of the Big Brother house? I don't know, I don't really like the people here. They're so boring. Like when I was at home, it was just so much better. Especially since the stories I've been hearing about that Rachel one.
It's pretty good here. Nice and honest.
God, I could talk about her all day, like, apparently. No, actually, this is a secret, so don't tell anyone. I'm just telling the world this. I'm not going to tell anyone in the house this, so just don't play this back to anyone else. But apparently, she had a boyfriend who...
Rachel was walking around in her sweatpants. I'd bone it. Definitely.
Yeah, I don't mind being in this house, you know. I have my freedom. This kebab is nice, you know, and do something for that again, you know.
Bend her over, backwards, slide it down. In there, hard and heavy.
What did I think of yesterday's contest? What do you think I thought about? I didn't win it. Joy won it. He won a feckin' kebab. I wanted that kebab. I wanted something to eat.
Yummy.
What's my experience in Big Brother? Well, there's nothing really to do here.
You know, when I first came into this house, I thought it was a little bit dull. You know, I thought it was a little bit boring. Then we had that heat wave about 2 weeks ago. Brought up temperature about 12 degrees.
I'm just being followed around by a bunch of fucking idiots who just don't know where they're going or what to do.
Check out the guns.
Totally just want to get the fuck out of here now. This is just taking the piss. Your man over there, he's just been a total and utter reject, and she's been in rehab, so I don't know where the fuck I'm going here now.
I thought I was going into X Factor.
Like, there's no television. Like, I watch television 7 hours a day, usually.
Goodbye, Yellow Brick Road!
That's what I spend about half my time doing here today. Push-ups, pull-ups, and other things.
Look at Mr. Know-It-All there wanting to fucking go off about fucking getting with the other housemates and Big Brother, like, yeah, as if that's ever going to happen. Where are you going to go do it? I bet he's fucking so egotistic he'll actually go and do it on camera, won't he? Really? I doubt it, to be honest.
Blame it all on my roots. I showed up in boots and ruined your black tie affair.
Where's EastEnders? Where's Coronation Street? Where's The Simpsons?
Bet you got cheap shitty camera they have here. He's gonna have to buy something decent or actually get this place out right. You're expecting to follow us around the place, like, yeah, try and document our lives, man, is actually try and do it properly.
People don't give me shit for an obvious reason. The guns. The guns.
I toasted you, said honey we may be true, but you'll never hear me complain.
Just evict me, people, evict me!
The sirens are screaming and the fires are howling. We're down in the valley tonight.
Swear to God, this house is going to kill me.
I'm losing my appetite.
I'm out of here.
Lazy days. That expert, Denny. That ham, Denny Carr.
Here at the O2, backstage at a Zach and Rudolfo show. Can you hear the crowd going wild?
Double smile.